Students, whatever homework is given to you, you have to submit it on the very next day between 8 am to 1 pm to the given WhatsApp number, and it is compulsory to submit your homework as your attendance will be marked on the basis of your submission.
Good morning, dear students. As in previous video, we have learned our chapter number 1,
File management in Windows 7.
Before starting our textual exercises, let's revise some points. Point number 1. The ability to locate your data when you need is an essential skill for anyone who uses a computer. Number 2. File management is the important task in Windows 7. It will allow you to create, select, copy, move, and rename files and folders on your computer. Number 3. The Windows Explorer is an
Indispensable
tool, is an operating system. With it, we can organize and control the files and folders of the different storage system at our disposal, such as the hard drive, disk drive, etc. Number 4. Windows 7 uses the concept of virtual folders for documents, music, pictures, video, favorite, etc. Number 5. Folders and files can be copied, moved, renamed, and deleted. Number 6. You can move or copy a file or folder using variety of methods. So now let's move forward to our textual exercises. A. Take the correct answer. Number 1. What is the name of the application used to manage files and folders in Windows? A. Internet Explorer. B. Document Explorer. C. Windows Explorer. D. Antarctic Explorer. The answer is C. Windows Explorer. Number 2. What is meant by the term folder? A. A named storage area in which files are located. B. A storage area which only contains directories. C. A file management system. D. A list of files. The answer is A. A named storage area in which files are located. Number 3. Windows Explorer can be accessed by Start button, All programs, Accessories, Windows Explorer. B. Start button, All programs, My document, Windows Explorer. C. Start button, All programs, Windows Explorer. D. All of them. The answer is C. Start button, All programs, Windows Explorer. Number 4. To create a new folder, first select the destination drive and or folder, then A. Select file menu options, edit, new folder. B. Right click and select create folder. C. Click menu alt, file, new folder. D. Select file menu options, file, create folder. The right answer is B. Right click and select create folder. Number 5. If you copy and paste a file, option A, the original file is deleted and a new file is created. B. Original file remains unchanged and the new file is created. C. The original file remains unchanged and the new file is not created. D. Original file is removed and new file is not created. The right answer is B. The original file remains unchanged and a new file is created. Number 6. If you move a file, the options are A. The original file is deleted and a new file is created in a new location. B. Original file remains unchanged and a new file is created in a new location. C. Original file remains unchanged and new file is not created. D. Original file is removed and new file is not created. The right answer is B. The original file remains unchanged and a new file is created in a new location. So our next exercise is give answer in one word. Number 1. It allows you to access different drives. The answer is Windows Explorer. Number 2. These folders such as document, music, pictures, video, favorite, etc. are not manual creation. The answer is custom virtual folder. Number 3. Most file management functions can be performed using this button. The answer is Windows button. Exercise C. Answer the following questions. What do you mean by file management? Why it is important for a computer user? File management क्यों important है computer users के लिए? Answer. File management is an important task in Windows 7. File management will allow us to create, select, copy, move and rename files and folders on our computer. It is important because it allows us to organize files in proper way. Number 2. What is Windows Explorer? Windows Explorers क्या है? Answer is Windows Explorer is an important tool in operating system. It helps us to organize and control the files and folder of different storage system at our disposal, such as hard disk drive, etc. Number 3. What are virtual folders? Virtual folders क्या होते हैं? Virtual folders is an index in a computer that point to select files and folder within same machine. The Windows 7 library feature is in a virtual folder to the content on the hard drive. Number 4. How can we rename a file? Answer. Following are the steps to rename the file. Step number 1. Click on the name of file which is to be renamed. Step number 2. Right click. A pop-up menu will appear. Select rename option. Step number 3. Write new name in a place of old name. Press OK. Number 5. Differentiate between. Number 1. Copying and moving a folder. The answer is copying. When we copy a file, copy of it is created, and when we paste it, a new file will be created at new location. The original file remain at its place and new file also created. Moving. When we move a file, the original file is removed from its original place and moved into new location. Second, contiguous selection and non-contiguous selection. Answer is contiguous selection. When user select first file and then next and next in a sequence which they are displayed in the list is called contiguous selection. Non-contiguous selection. When the user select files randomly by holding control key, the first file, 6th, 9th, 12th file, some random selection is called non-contiguous selection.